Like, this is sweat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Erica. In today's video, we're just going to show you guys how we work out and still keep our hair straight afterwards, or should just keep sweat from ruining it. So we usually wear our hair straight, and as y'all know, we stretch our washes to once a month. And during that time when we work out, a lot of people ask, how do y'all keep y'all's hair straight, or how do you keep your edges straight with all the with the smell of our hair and everything, and all the oil and all the buildup. And to be honest, when we first get our hair done, like, we don't even think about going to the gym. Like, when we first get out of the salon, we're not even thinking about a gym. We don't even want to spit of rain to even touch our hair. So it's okay to, like, kind of, you know, take a couple days off or 3 days off from the gym. But all in all, at the end of the day, you can't let your hair keep you from working out. So yeah, you get to see a little bit of what we do as far as workouts. So yeah, you're just gonna come to the gym with us, and then you're gonna see like before and after as far as our hair routine. Yeah. For our hair routine, for fresh hair, like a few days out of the salon, we just like to brush our hair back into a high, mid, or low ponytail or bun. And we like to use big, thick scrunchies. I especially like to use this one. I got it from Sally's. They don't really pull on your hair, they don't leave dents, and it's just easier to wrap your hair around it for a bun. And whatever way you choose, here's one hack we learned. Keep it sleek when you do your hair into a ponytail. You don't want any puffiness because it's easier for sweat to get in and make your roots sweaty. So yeah, just be mindful of that. And after that, we always like to use a sweat wicking headband around our edges. If you're a long-time subscribers, you know this $5 DRISWEAT headband from Sally's is our holy grail. And this will keep those edges straight. The whiteness of the headband also protects beyond your edges too. And yeah, like I was saying earlier, I decided to put my hair up in a bun. Erica's gonna do just a high pony. Whenever I do a bun, I like to secure it with bobby pins instead of just regular clips so that my ends won't be too crimped after taking it down. So yeah, that's the gist of our hair routine for when we go to work out. Now here's a sneak peek of some workouts we do when our hair is still in that fresh stage. And these workouts are low impact but still effective for your body fitness wise. Now walking is a good option as well, especially if you add ankle weights and walk at a brisk pace. Just do it in the morning or at night or on a treadmill. And if you put on your headphones with a good playlist or podcast, it won't feel so boring. And another thing we like to do is mat work to really just help our core. You don't really sweat that much, but usually when we're at the gym and they finish all their classes in that room, we'll go in there and use their equipment like the aerobic step workouts and everything, just to kind of get our heart rate going but not sweating too much. But yeah, these are just some of the routines that we do. Alright, and after working out, I just come home and usually I take my headband off at home. I don't really take it off immediately after working out. The key is just to wait and just kind of let the headband soak up the sweat. And yeah, then I'll just take my hair down, and as you can see, my edges are still sleek and intact. I obviously didn't sweat too much because, like I said, the low intensity of my workouts don't really produce a lot of sweat for me. But yeah, my hair still looks good as new and ready to go. Alright, so now this is when our fresh hair from our blowout is still starting to wear off, so we start picking up the pace with our workouts. Our hair routine is still the same, but as it gets closer to wash day, we'll kind of switch up our gym hairstyles and stuff. We're not as strict with our hair, but usually what we showed you guys earlier is how we wear our hair, how we style it. Usually we'll do more intense workouts, so we'll go take a class with Zumba, we'll probably do kickboxing or like cycling. Yeah, cycling, jump roping, or I'll go to the basketball court and put up some shots, just going back and forth and rebounding and putting up jump shots and stuff because, you know, we love basketball. And whatever we do, that usually ends up, you know, with us sweating, especially because, you know, it gets our heart rate going. We don't sweat like too much, but we're not like drenched in sweat. But alright, so as you guys can see, this is me sweating. This is the most that I sweat. I don't know if you can see a little better. It has cleared up a bit. You can probably see it in my, you can kind of see it better up here. I don't sweat like too much unless I'm like really getting into it, but even still, like, this is sweat that, I mean, by the time I got to the car, it has kind of dried up. Yeah, this is it. And I'm not gonna take my headband off. I'm just gonna wait until I get home because I like to let, first of all, I don't have a towel, and then I also like I said earlier, like to let the headband just kind of sit and soak up the sweat along my hairline before I take it off and take my hair down. So as you can see, here's the sweat, and I'll show an after. Okay, so as promised, here is our post-gym hair routine for when our hair is getting closer to wash day. By the way, can we just appreciate how my hair is 3 weeks into my wash stretch and it still looks like I came straight out of the salon. But yeah, I actually have 2 videos in the description box that will be able to show y'all how we're able to make it happen. But anyway, after the gym, when our hair is in this stage, I'll either use dry shampoo, but since I'm all out, I'll use rosewater and witch hazel, and all 3 usually work well to soak up any oil, sweat, odor, especially if you don't want to wash your hair every day afterwards, or if you're going back to work or you're just in a hurry. But yeah, if y'all want to see more fitness videos from us, just comment down below if you want to see that. We're getting more serious about it. We're not kind of relying on genetics. Because, you know, we're not gonna lie, like our genetics play a part in how in our body shape and our body build. So but as we get older, we don't want to rely on it. We want to start eating a little bit more healthier. Just be more consistent with going to the gym and just making sure, you know, just seeing some transformation with our bodies and stuff. So let us know below if we all want to see that, maybe like a Fitness Friday or something. So. Yeah. Anyways, we love you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting us. We'll see you guys. We should have a vlog this Wednesday coming up, so come back to our channel on Wednesdays. Just subscribe so you won't miss. And share this video, y'all. We're almost to 30K. I know. I'm so excited. I know. This is so amazing. So thank you guys so much. We'll see y'all Wednesday for a vlog and then Sunday with another video. Bye.